Hello, today we will guide you through how to demo trade on Fusion markets. In this walkthrough, we'll move from your account area to the web trading platform, pick a market, and place a practice order. The goal is to help you get comfortable with the workflow in a risk-free environment, so you can focus on learning the tools and terminology. Start from your Fusion Markets Hub and open trading accounts. This is the central place where you manage your accounts and access platform tools. From here, look for the Downloads section. Downloads is where Fusion Markets provides platform options. Instead of installing anything right now, we'll keep things simple and select the web option. The web platform runs in your browser, so it's quick to launch and ideal for demo trading. Once the web platform opens, you'll see markets available to trade, often called symbols or instruments. You can either pick one of the sample symbols shown on the screen or use the search bar to find a specific market, such as a currency pair, index, commodity, or stock CFD, depending on your account's available products. Selecting a symbol loads its chart and details and brings up the order panel on the right. Click the symbol you want to practice with to highlight it and display the trading ticket. On the right panel, you'll see buy and sell buttons. Choose buy if you expect the price to rise, or sell if you expect it to fall. Before you place the order, review the fields in the ticket. Confirm the volume or lot size you wish to trade, and check any optional settings, such as stop loss and take profit, if they're available on the ticket. These tools help you practice managing risk and planning exits, even in a demo environment. Once you're satisfied with the order details, proceed with the action you selected. When everything looks correct and you're ready to commit the practice trade, click Place Order. The platform will submit your demo order and confirm the action on screen. Because this is a demo, pricing and fills simulate real market conditions without affecting real funds, making it ideal for testing strategies and getting used to order placement. That's it. You've navigated from trading accounts to downloads, launched the web platform, selected a symbol, chosen buy or sell on the right panel, and placed your order. Repeat these steps with different symbols and sizes to build confidence. Thanks for following along, and happy practicing on Fusion Markets.